Grievance of the petitioner is that he was transferred in the prescribed manner from Health Department Bajawar Agency Fata to Malakand Agency and is serving there for the last many months, but due to negligence of the Office of Director Health Services Fata, his service book LPC have not been sent to the department where now the petitioner is serving. Thus, he has not been paid monthly salary for the last many months. First up, under the pension rules of 1969 and regulation contained in ESTA code, the Department of the Government on transfer of its employee has been placed under legal obligation to immediately send the LPC service book of its employee on his transfer to the concerned region district agency. Therefore, not performing such legal obligation amounts to serious violation of law, which may expose the in charge of the Office of Respondent number 3, Director Health Services Fata, to an adverse action. First up, thus this petition stands disposed of with direction to Respondent number 3 to send the LPC service book of the petitioner forthwith to the Office of Respondent number 5, EDO Health Malakand Agency, but not later than 15 days at any cost. First up, the order of today be conveyed to Respondent number 3 by Additional Registrar Judicial of this through an urgent mail fax. First up, with above observations, directions, this petition stands disposed of. First up, petitioner Mr. Fariha Anwar is an unmarried teacher but was transferred to Khairabad district Nौशहरा against the government policy wherein it has been clearly stated that no unmarried girl lady teacher shall be posted out of her home station. However, she was brought back and was posted on stop-gap arrangement in Lady Griffith School, Peshawar, because the teacher of maths was likely to be promoted and on the post to be so vacated, she was proposed to be adjusted instead. However, when that turn came, instead of her Respondent number 4, that is Mr. Hafsa Huma, was appointed, who was transferred from another district, and it has been alleged in the writ petition that Respondent number 4 is the wife of PA to Secretary Education E and S. Thus, she was shown undue favor to the prejudice of the petitioner. First up.